In this video, we're going to look at section 1, example 4, identify where a function increases or decreases. So real quick, my graph, I just want to put some arrows here so we remember that these graphs continue forever. Right, so we're asked for what values of x, for what values of x is g of x equal to 2 minus the absolute value of x increasing? For what values is it decreasing? So we want to look at increasing and decreasing. And we want to be careful. We don't want to mix this up with positive and negative intervals, where in the last video we looked at above and below the x-axis. Here we're looking at when is the graph increasing, when is it going up, and decreasing, when is it going down. So the first part of my graph, we're going to read left to right here. So I'm starting on the left and I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to keep tracing until this point here. Now I'm going to change directions there. So from that bottom left to that midpoint right at the y-axis, my graph is increasing. Okay. So when we're talking increasing, we're going to use interval notation. So it's increasing all the way from left. That graph just keeps going left. So that's going to be negative infinity. And it's going to keep going up until I get to this point right here. And in that case, my x value is 0. So it's increasing from negative infinity to 0. That's it. Just going up. Now for decreasing, we're going to go from that 0 where we just were, and we're going to trace all the way down to the right here. So for decreasing, it's starting at 0, this point right here, and it's going forever to the right. It's just going to keep going down as far as we're concerned. Sorry, to positive infinity. And that's it. That's where it's decreasing. That's all they're looking for, is when is the graph going up, when is the graph going down. Now, you might wind up with graphs, you might have something that is going to be a little more complicated, where it kind of changes direction like that. You'll have more sections where it's going up or down. It could look kind of zigzag like that. But the idea is, when is it going up? That's when it's increasing. When is it going down? That's when it's decreasing. That's all you have to worry about. So try it problem. Again, ask what values of x is each function increasing, for when is it decreasing. Use either Desmos or graphing calculator. You need a graph, and you need an accurate graph to be able to determine when it's increasing and decreasing. And that's all.